Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So in this video I will take you through how to check your BECE result, that is for 2024 BECE results. And before you can check your results, you will need a voucher. Without a voucher, there is no way that you can check your results. So if you're looking for a voucher, just pick the number on the screen, just call me. That is my personal contact. Call me or WhatsApp me and I'll be able to get you a voucher. Note, vouchers are not for free, you would pay for it. So without wasting much of a time, let me take you to my screen and show you guys how to check your results. I'll leave the link in this video description, and if you buy a voucher from me, you'll get a link also to check your results. Now this is how it is. We have the West African Examination Council, that is Accra, that is the E result. Okay, so the first one, you need to provide your index number. You need to provide your index number, and you need to re-enter your index number. You need to confirm your index number. Now after confirming your index number, what you have to do is to select the exams type. Is it BECE or WASSCE? You are checking for BECE school, so you enter BECE school, and then you need to select your date. Okay, so that is 2024, and then you move on to your serial number. This is where you will need the voucher. The voucher contains the serial number and the pin, so you need to enter the serial number on your voucher, and then you need to enter the pin on your voucher here. After that, you tap on I am not a robot. When done, you just have to tap on submit, and within few seconds you are going to see your results displaying for you guys. So this is the easiest and the simplest way to check your results online. If you don't have results checker, or if you don't have voucher, please don't forget to call me. See you in the next video.